All right, today I have a lightning cable, charge extension cable. This right here is white and it's 6.6 feet or 2 meters if you like to use the metric system. And here's the cable. It's basically what it is. It extends your current lightning cable, and I find this quite useful here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. See, here is the cable. Comes with a nice twisty tie, which I'm going to go ahead and unravel. And once I unravel it, it's 6 feet of extension. You see, this is where one cord goes in here. You can take your lightning cable, put it in here, and then you have this right here to make an extension of your current lightning cable. It's pretty handy, especially if you need a little bit more extension. Here it is right here. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.